Welcome to my spooky Halloween review. Over the years I have made many different Halloween little gifts and things through the years and props. And I just wanted to show off just a few of the things that I've made through the years. Show you how to make this spooky little decoration for very cheap. So check that out at the end of the video. We'll start with the main thing in the room here. And that is, last year I made myself my very own custom Freddy Krueger glove gauntlet. This is all cut from stainless steel plate that I then welded and made all of these little pieces individually. So as you can see, they all individually move and is fully wearable with the proper leather welding glove that I used. It's all a custom design that I made myself, so I took inspiration from a lot of the Freddy Krueger gloves and then I put it into my own custom design. So very happy with how this came out, and yeah, I thought I'm making this, so I also made this awesome Elm Street sign to go with it, and I thought, how awesome would it look to have this on my shelf, to sort of pose it on top, maybe, you know, or something like that. I think that just looks great. That's the Freddy Krueger glove. Stainless steel blades. It's got copper piping, and then for the main plate here, this is a piece of brass that I hammered out into shape, and then they're all riveted into place so they all can move freely. And then obviously, like I said, the welding glove that then was weathered up and painted and made to look very cool. Onto some other things. I also made this awesome little Freddy Krueger bust. So yeah, it's the same sort of stuff, super sculpey, that I used to make the werewolf. So if you haven't checked this video out for Halloween, I made a custom little werewolf that I super sculpted out of some clay. Same principle as this. So yeah, they come out great. And then I also made a vampire stake. Now you can do this so many different ways. You can sharpen it up as much as you want, but I hand carved all of this and put like a little vampire kind of bat head on the top, so pretty cool. It's got some crosses and it's also got engraved a very ornate pattern. Go slay some vampires. So yeah, last but not least, we also have the Pennywise 1/6 scale custom figure that I made. Now the body of this is just a figure body that I modified and then painted to look more like Pennywise's clown. Out of the same stuff as these busts here, I used Super Sculpey and then just added these little pom-poms on top and clothing and everything I made. I made a little boat that sinks away, that he loses to Pennywise in the movie. And this is a custom little head that I made, all out of Super Sculpey, so that was a custom thing that I made. And look how awesome it came out. It came out so accurate. It came out great, still to this day. Because this was back when there wasn't any Pennywise figures or anything about, so I made my own, and it just came out great. I was amazed at how well this came out. For my first attempt at like making a figure, I think that's pretty impressive. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and check out some of my other props and things that I reviewed on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.